My dear friends, take a deep breath with me. Let the mind settle for a moment and let the heart open. Today, I want to speak gently, almost like sitting across from you with a cup of warm tea, about love, marriage, and the sacred friendship between a man and a woman. There is a verse in Scripture that many have heard and few have truly sat with. Let each of you love his wife as he loves himself, and let the wife show respect to her husband. Not a command shouted from a mountain, but a reminder whispered with tenderness. Because at its deepest level, marriage is not about power or perfection. It is about two souls learning to hold each other with honesty and grace. When two people choose to share their life, something holy begins. Two stories, once separate, start weaving into one. Two hearts, shaped by different memories, begin to beat in rhythm. And slowly, almost without noticing, you start becoming a shelter for one another. The truth is simple. Marriage softens us. It humbles us. It teaches us to look past the moment and see the soul. There will always be days of tension, days when words come out sharper than they were meant, days when silence feels heavier than speech. This is not failure. This is the human heart trying to find its way. The beauty of marriage is not that it is perfect. The beauty is that love chooses to stay even when imperfection rises. Forgiveness. That is the oil that keeps the relationship from wearing down. Sometimes you forgive quickly, sometimes slowly. Sometimes you forgive even before you feel ready. But forgiveness is a kind of gentle washing of the heart. It clears space for kindness to return. Respect is just as important. Not the kind that demands honor, but the kind that quietly says, I see you. I understand you are trying. I know you carry your own burdens. Respect is a soft place where both hearts can rest. And love matures. In the beginning, it glows like sunrise, bright, excited, new. Later, it becomes steadier, deeper, more like candlelight that warms a room without drawing attention to itself. Real love is not loud. It is patient. It is faithful. It is willing. One of the old teachers once said that marriage is a mirror. In it, we see our own habits, our own fears, our own impatience. But we also see our capacity to grow, to become gentler, to become more understanding. Nothing transforms the human heart quite like loving another person consistently, honestly, and with hope. There will be winters. Every relationship has them. In some seasons, the laughter comes less easily. In some seasons, the world feels heavy and the home feels quiet. But winter is not the end of love. Winter prepares the soil for spring. The couples who last are not the ones who never argue. They are the ones who return to each other again and again with humility. They speak softly after speaking harshly. They reach out even when tired. They choose closeness over pride. Love is not a feeling to chase. Love is a choice made every day. A choice to listen without rushing. A choice to speak without wounding. A choice to forgive without keeping score. A choice to build a home where both souls can breathe. If your heart feels tired today, If your relationship has felt strained, if you feel unseen or unheard, rest for a moment. You are allowed to be human. You are allowed to start again. Grace is always fresh, always waiting. Marriage is a long journey, but it is also a gentle teacher. It teaches us to slow down, to soften our tone, to care for the small things because the small things are never small. Love your partner with tenderness. Respect them with sincerity. Speak words that heal. Offer forgiveness freely. And let your home be a place where warmth gathers like light through a window. May peace fill your rooms. May gratitude guide your steps. And may love, slow and steady, deepen with every season you share.